is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah.
The program where they come on our way right now. Now the program where they call Area Tori. Area Tori they come to now from Procyon Radio and Television. And I deal with Gloria Eno for studio.
My people, now good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I greet you now.
All right, depending on where you they watch us from. I hope so on our full ground kakaraka. My name na Sarah Agbo. I beg if you watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share, and make una also drop una comment for us so that we go dey move, they go. God go bless una. The Tori what would they carry come today? Now the Tori of one man wey travel go obodo oyibo for greener pasture. He go spend 50 years for there. Now wey he come back as 91 years old. As he don't spend all those years, the only thing wey he carry come back na this stick wey the old people they take waka. They call am walking stick, abi? Gloria.
Stick, yes.
They call am walking stick. Now that stick, now he just carry come back home. And how you take come back home now? Rescue, now they rescue and carry and come back to. They talk say they deport them, abi? They carry and come back. They help am, send and carry and come give him people. Gloria, this story where they tell you, as they call, they ask the man say he work for there as gardener. So even when they carry and come, they have to look for his own people because he don't know a way again. He just go there, go lost completely. You know, they communicate, they relate with him people. But when he reach the time where he will come back, he can't know him people. But the better thing where him people can't do, where they can't see him, they can't collect him, can't give him a portion of an inheritance where they talk say the father live for them. They can't give him one house where he would stay. But the man no come back with anything. Now that in working stay.
Wasted years.
And you know say if not for some places they no go look am like the way these people welcome am. They say our Nigerian people they be better people. If you even travel like that come back, you go see different NGOs there. They wait. Different people there, they go say to make we help am. We no get anything what we go do. Now better people now in this country. And they tell you our country na good country. So now the man Tori be that. When they call, they ask him about how he takes spend in life. He say he get a wife, so but he know where they now.
Hell.
It can't be like say many problems can't happen. Everybody carry one and find their way. Carry them go. So now so he can't take come back. Gloria, what do you want to talk? Especially about the people where they like to travel just like that.
This one now I open to now they hear our youth. Let me start with the youth. If you dey Nigeria, you go say, hey, be like say make I come out for this country.
If they call am japa now.
If God he want japa from Nigeria, if God not destin you, say you go make am for Igbo land. Hey, my brother, my sister. You now hear this man, 90 waiting.
91 years.
He even senior Nigeria be that too. Nigeria be 60-something years. He senior Nigeria. Make una see. He come out, japa, he still say he go better. God not destin him. He force himself go. Gardener, you know the Nigeria. Now for Igbo land, you go do gardener. Where have better houses where our people get for city of Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, Kaduna, our own. This one we talk of our own house, our Kaduna here. If you pass station, say for before you reach station, better house where you go do gardener for them. They go pay you better money. You go marry your children, marry your wife, get children for him. All of them go there together. You come out. You go there. Maybe now foreigners you marry. As they see say life don't finish for inside of you. Everybody carrying children, waka, leave you. You come back with walking stick. Now shameful thing, no. So now where they hear us, we they talk and for here. Don't be saying a story, it happened. Now real. No, now she done for Nigeria. Maybe we make Nigeria better for all of us. No wrong, come out for Nigeria to say, oh, you go and go. If he not favor you, if God no destiny, he go favor you. You go see come back with zero. You start from grassroots again. That Baba don't come back now. Strength, you don't go. He waste the years. Wait for take and do better thing for himself, for his family. He don't come back with even one single pikin. How they go take trace those children now? No be the wives again, the children. You don't know. That one they never even talk of. In own power, he don't go.
Yes,
He use the strength for them, finish and for them, come back with empty walking stick. Thank God for him family. That is why you see say Nigeria, we good well. Nigeria na better place.
Country.
Nigeria na better place. Our Kaduna state na better state.
Yes, so.
So na see am. So we where we there Kaduna, we still dey manage dey go. We dey march forward. No power go fit bring us down. Now up we dey go. Nigeria dey move forward.
Yes,
So this one go make una know say anyhow you run go. Say every tree where the stone where they throw go up, you go, you go still come down, back up, go land for ground. No dey land for, you know they have for A. Now be that Baba now. He don't come back. In late he come back to Nigeria. Back up. The day they land for airport, you know say Nigeria.
I don't come back.
I don't come back. So that one no be dream.
That's so.
It be real to him. Now eye opener to others. Now
So
learn lesson from
you
this Baba.
get our youths. Why I first bring this Baba on? They say as you talk, wasted years. Baba don't go waste years.
Wasted years.
If you dey for
time.
this country, you fit use your energy, you fit use your youthful age to make the kind money wey you believe say
You go get am.
God don destin for you. It depend on how you do am.
Yes,
If you
na.
dey hard working and you dey work sincerity,
Faithfully, with where you dey
with
work.
your mind,
Mm-hmm.
you go dey learn how to save.
Well,
You go dey
well.
learn how to at least e get process. You
Yes, na.
understand? No be say person go just jump enter
Na
inside.
step by step. Step by step.
So
Dey
those
go.
people wey dem dey come carry, Nigerians go outside again, go dey look for their own people, come carry them,
Come back.
put them inside wetin they call am plane,
Plain.
organize, arrange them, carry them, come back to Nigeria.
again.
Still give them some money. Some NGOs, some different people go still give them money to come start another life.
So,
You know say you no know anywhere, you no get anything to do there. You just carry yourself dey go. If you talk about people wey be say dem read book well, like you know say like our people wey get brain well,
we go school.
wey go school, those ones their own different
That
now.
one different.
Their own different.
Who go school different?
Even them myself, some of us dey beg them say make una go there o. There na im better because the things wey dem go pay una for here if you no reach
because of the level of their school.
If
common
you
man.
go there legally with your po ten tials, that one dey better.
That one dey.
May
That
no be
one
say
correct.
you
Just get up.
may no be say you no get anything to do, you just look at you
Follow
don
ship.
dream. You don dream see yourself
The
for
fellowship sef.
for
Dey
aeroplane.
struggle dey go.
Then you go come dey struggle.
Dey go and go.
Dey some go die for road o.
Well.
Some no dey fit reach there. Na that one we dey talk. Make una no dey worry una sef for that kind thing. Stay where you dey. If you wan make am, pray to God. God go open way. You go make am anywhere where you dey. Anywhere, even if na for village you dey, you go make am.
go
I
make
don
am.
see this other tribes. You know say those tribes dey strong well. You understand? I no wan mention the
Yes
tribe.
now.
Anywhere where any village starts, na dem dey go set chemist for there.
Yes, na then they start.
You understand? Dem dey very smart. Dem go dey look anywhere wey you say, okay, see one small village wey or one small community
Dem
wey
go
wan.
open market.
Before you know
Shop.
it, they don go open shop. They don put chemist there,
Yes.
where dem go dey treat people wey
Wey no well.
wey no well. Before you know it, they don make money, buy land for there,
Build house.
build house, do many things. So e get different things wey if our eyes open, we fit see for this our country, and then God go help us. So with all this one now, Gloria.
This one make me remember. Now I just tip this one. Make we take and finish today. Talk.
Okay.
This one make me remember. I never too sabi something too much like that, but I still remember. One time, one of my uncle like that. One man we call am uncle. He go like that. They say no be Oyibo land o, na African country. Then they call them that time Equatorial Guinea.
Okay.
They say then they go farm for there. When we come grow come because no be farm when they farm for our farm for here. They say no, say that side then they carry them go, make them go farm o. Say wetin dem dey farm they say for cocoa farm. I say
Okay.
cocoa there even for our backyard that time then we get cocoa tree. I say to say the uncles even take all this land plant the cocoa they nurse them for here. If I no better name, make I tell you, they no fit come back o. Me I grow, come become big girl, come become woman. come become mother.
Mm.
My uncle no come back. Till the time when they talk say this our president, that time na soldier time, Murtala Mohammed.
Okay.
Yes, I still remember the name. Now he say he give ship with plane go Equatorial Guinea. Say any Nigeria where they see, make them catch am, put am, carry am, come back. Now so they take carry my uncle. Come back. If I not come now, he no fit come back again now.
Okay.
He
No
don't spend-
money, nothing.
He don't pay for there. He come now so they catch am, put am for motor. Him with him 2 children, wife no follow. We don't see wife, we see 2 children, a boy and a girl. Now so they carry out our uncle, carry come back. You see, that is why we still talk to our Nigeria.
It's still better.
Our Nigeria, now in better. Anyhow you do, your leg will still come back to this Nigeria.
Cocoa farm plenty.
Cocoa farm there here.
Plenty. for here.
Go be inside, then get. Now that is why me I ask that and say, cocoa no there for Nigeria where uncle go Equatorial Guinea. Now there you go, make una hear my people. That is why we dey talk say wasted years. He waste in years. When he come back, he don't owe. Power no dey him again. He not take like 3 years. He don't go. He don't die. Go. You see, so I think we dey tell una be that Nigeria done better. So no plan say your power no reach to go. If you don't reach where they say now the work or the school where you go carry you come out. We go tap hand, we go celebrate you make you go. But you will be mama like me. You will be baba. You say even though na hang of for hand of plane you go hang. Make your leg go, you go land. No triumph. She don't with us for Nigeria. Nigeria done better.
Thank you very much, Gloria Enoch, with your better talk when you give us today. I want to say, I beg, make with a carry life, anywhere where you there, your blessing will come meet you.
Yes.
As long as you dey use your hand, do better thing. Now, when you no do better thing, now you no go walk.
So,
but when you do better thing, God go dey open where they go. Thank you very much. I want to say, Gloria, thank you for coming to the studio.
Thank you very much.
And then, when they watch us, make una not forget, make una like, make una subscribe, make una share, make una also drop comments for us. God go dey bless una dey go. Abeg, make una no just watch this video, just dey waka dey go like that. Make una make sure say una like am, make una subscribe, make una comment, make una share. Abeg, thank you very much for doing that now. Now, make una the program na Procyon Radio and Television, they always bring this program for una. We dey for YouTube, we dey for Instagram, we dey for TikTok, we also dey for Facebook. Once you type Procyon RTV, you go see us. Procyon, then they spell am Procyon. Then you put RTV. Now they see us. And then go with the bless una. My name is Sarah Agbo. May una dey shine like the star where una be.
Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to know.